see the measurements. I'm just started recording it. So
Now I can see you, Daddy.
that's okay, fine. Now let's. Do you see my screen? Okay. Let's see today the measurement chapter. Okay.
Daddy, what happened to you? I cannot see.
No. Do you see the screen or no?
Now now I can see. Now I can see.
Okay. You are able to see my screen, right, Juvanta? Okay. So today we will talk about like a different unit of measurement of length. We were talking about centimeter, millimeter, meter, and all, right? So today once again we will revise the measurement of length, units of measurement of length. Okay, and then we will understand the concept of different units of measurement of length and correlate and convert different units of measurement of length. That means like how to convert from the centimeter to yes, Jwanta, millimeter. Yeah. You raised your hand.
Meaning of SWB.
Sorry?
What is the meaning of SWB?
This one, learning objectives they are telling school work. This really I don't know. Let me find it out and tell you, okay, at the end of the section. Usually this will be learning objective means what are the things we are going to study, like objectives kind of thing only. Okay, this I will find out and then I will tell you. Okay. Hello. It's getting stuck.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we will study about like different units of measurement, like millimeter. On that day, we were discussing about millimeter, centimeter, meter, and all, right? Do you remember? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, decimeter, hectometer, and kilometer. And
Also decalimeter.
yeah, decimeter also there, and centimeter is decameter also there. Do you remember this? Do you remember that? Jumanta? Decameter and hectometer and kilometer. All right. Do you remember these things, right?
Yeah.
Let's see that one also here also. Yeah, these are the things. Millimeter, this is milligram, decigram, decagram, kilogram. The same way, this is length also it is there. This is. Yeah, tell me, Chris.
I want to tell when.
Sorry? Sorry?
When will we learn measurement of capacity?
Measurement of?
Capacity.
Capacity we will learn after some time. First, we will learn about the length, measurement of length. Then capacity later. Okay. First is coming as a
Daddy,
measurement.
Daddy. Listen, Daddy.
Yeah.
We already finished this and also.
I just want to revise it. You listen. You are not listening me. Okay. First you listen. After that, I will give you time. That time you ask question. Okay. This is tuition. Okay. Not our home. Okay. Just
It's not
listen.
cute.
Yeah. So this one like metric measures. First you will learn about the units of length, measurement of length. Okay. I will be asking you some questions because last time we had studied this one, right? Last 2 3 days before last week we have studied about. So I just wanted to know like how much do you remember? And if you don't remember something, it's not a problem. We will revise it. Whenever we revise multiple times, then you will be remembering it. Okay. So it's not a big thing. It's very easiest thing. Yeah. Tell me.
Chris was not there when we were learning metric measurement.
He was not there.
Yeah.
No, I think I talked to him sometime back. Anyway, it's okay. Just let us learn about this one. Okay. Do you remember like how many millimeters in are there in centimeter? 1 centimeter is how many millimeters?
1 centimeter equal to 100 millimeters.
Daddy.
Yeah, tell me.
I was like thinking 1 centimeter is.
Equal to 100 millimeters.
Yeah, correct. 100 mm is 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
Daddy,
Tell me.
what is Daddy? What is hectometer?
Which one? Hectometer, decimeter.
No, hectometer. What is that?
This is nothing but like 100 meter is 1 hectometer, and 10 meter is 1 decameter. 1 meter is, see here, 1 meter is 1 meter. 1 decimeter is 1 divided by 10, 0.1 meter. Centimeter is 1 divided by 100. That means 0.01 meter. Millimeter means 1 divided by 1000 meter. That means 0.0001 meter. So the smallest one is millimeter, the biggest one is kilometer. You see, this is 1000 meter. This is 0.001 meter. Do you know the difference, right? Like we will study about slowly, then only you will be able to understand. Okay. The metric system is a system measurement that uses meter, liter, gram as base units of length, distance, capacity, volume, weight, mass, respectively. This one I will tell you, okay, then you will be able to understand. There are three systems you have seen, right? Meter, liter, gram. We will be using sometimes if you go to some shop, they will tell like this much meter length of rope you are buying, this many liter of milk you are buying, this many kilogram of or gram of rice you are buying. Like that, if you go to the shop, you will be able to understand these things. These are the measurements. So we need to measure something. Like if you are measuring the length of your arm or length of your some flower or some geometry box, if you want to measure something, you'll be using length, units of length as a distance. So here only we are coming to know like a millimeter, centimeter, meter, all these concepts. Okay. So just to understand the relation between how many millimeters will be 1 centimeter, those things you need to understand. Okay. So if we go to here, I think you might have been remembering like millimeter and centimeters are used to measure short length, right? Juvanta, if someone is asking you, what are the units that will be used to measure short length? What would be your response?
Centimeter.
Millimeter, centimeters. These are used to measure short length. Huh?
Yeah.
And meters are used to measure long length. And kilometer is used to measure distance between far off place. Can you tell me some example of kilometer when you are going to measure, and meter when you are going to measure, and millimeter, centimeter, these things?
Abu Dhabi to India
Yeah,
is a kilometer.
kilometer. Huh?
Meter.
Yeah.
Uh,
Used to measure long length like The length of bed, you see bed, it's a long length, but you see pencil is small one. So pencil is a small one, so you will be use millimeter, centimeter. But if you see the bed length is long, right? So that you will use meter. To understand the difference, right? See here, the length of pencil is measured in centimeter, length of bed is measured in meters, and distance between two places like Abu Dhabi to India, that is measured in kilometer. Okay. So now you understand the difference between meter, centimeter, kilometer, where we are going to use to measure.
Meters are like example sofa, cupboard, etc.
Yeah, right. Long length. Yeah.
Millimeters and centimeters are example pencil, scale,
Yeah.
and a small notebook, etc.
Yeah, correct. Small things like within our like very small things we will be using millimeter, centimeter, because millimeter, centimeters are used to measure the short length. So millimeter will be smallest one. Millimeter will grow into meter. These small babies, they will measure it in millimeter. After that baby grows like you people, then they will measure it in meter. Like I told you. Who is that? Okay. Now we will see this one. If somebody is asking you in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? What would be your response? What's the answer?
Centimeters equals to 100 millimeters.
100, sorry, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, okay?
Daddy, I can do this with my eyes closed, okay? 100 centimeters equals to, that is 100 meters is 200, correct?
100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, okay?
1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter.
Yeah.
100 centimeters equals to 1 millimeter.
Correct. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Both are same, okay? So this centi, you know centi, C-E-N-T-I, centi. Centi means a century they will call. Century means 100. So you remember centi means 100. You know in cricket and all, they will tell this batsman got century. Century means 100 runs. So centi means you remember as 100. Okay. What do you mean by centi? Centi means 100. Okay. Do you get me?
Yeah.
So you could be easily remembering it. If someone is asking, what do you mean by centi? Then you can say that centi means 100. Okay. So centimeter means 100. Okay.
So centimeter short for the centi.
Yeah. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Okay. And 100, then you there will be a millimeter to centimeter also we need to understand, right? I will show you. See
What
here.
centimeter is
See
equals
here.
to 100?
Do you understand here? Mm. Then if you multiply with centimeter, if you multiply mm by 10 centimeter, then if you multiply centimeter by 100 meter, if you multiply meter by 1000 kilometer. So this is the very important thing. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. This is the one normally they will ask you. So to get centimeter, how much you will multiply with mm? 10, correct. That means 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. 1 centimeter means 10 mm are there. Okay. Do you get me?
Yes. 100 millimeters is to 1 centimeter.
Yeah. Let us see some scale.
Like last time we did about a crocodile.
Sorry.
Last time we did like crocodile.
Yeah. Correct.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, are we watching video?
Yeah, that we will watch later. Before that, I want to show you some units, then you will be able to understand. Okay. Yeah, this is the one last time we watched, right? Do you know how many centimeters is this crocodile? No, this is lizard, right?
Yeah, it's lizard.
Yeah. Can you measure how many centimeter? How much is a centimeter?
12
Start with
centimeter.
0. You have to start with 0. Okay. Yeah, start with 0 and count. Yeah, answer me.
12 centimeter is the lizard. For the matchbox,
Matchstick.
5 centimeter.
You have to start with 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is starting here, right?
Okay. 4 centimeter.
Yeah. How much is this wax color? This one. Start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 centimeter long.
And the dice is
Yeah.
1 centimeter and the leaf is
Daddy, the leaf has 4 centimeter.
Start with 0. Okay. Here you have to start with 0.
Daddy, it has 4, it has 4, it has 4 centimeter.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 centimeters is right?
Yes.
So now you know this kind of measuring the small distances. We will be using matchstick. This small 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter. We will be using centimeters only. Okay, to measure it. We will see something else. Here you see who long tail competition. The animal in this picture had a competition. Okay, what are the animals in this picture? Are there some monkey, pig, cow, and elephant?
Daddy, the
And chameleon.
snake has the long tail. The snake has long tail.
Who has the longest tail?
Snake.
Snake. Okay. Now, who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess on length of the longest tail. Okay. Who do you think?
Daddy,
the snake got the first place, the elephant got the second place.
Okay. Elephant got second prize because whose tail is second most longest? Yeah.
The lizard second place.
Lizard second most. Okay. So animals in this picture had a competition. Okay. The animal who had the longest.
Daddy, mouse is second also.
Okay.
Elephant is the last.
Monkey.
Okay.
Monkey, I already told.
Monkey also it will be having a lot of like longest tail. Okay. So how would you measure it? You have to take one measure.
Monkey. Daddy, I already told monkey.
Okay. Now I want you to match. Okay. You see, I already told you distance from home to school. We measure it in kilometer, and length of saree we will measure it in meter. Width of a finger or nail we measure it in centimeter. Height in meter. Length of an earthworm we will measure it in the centimeters only. Okay. So I want you to match, draw lines each picture with the how long it can be. Okay, so I will take this one. So I'm taking distance where I have to match it, this or this. Which one I have to match?
2 kilometers.
Yeah,
2
right.
kilometers.
Correct. Okay. Now the length of saree. Which one I
1
have?
meter.
1 meter, 1 meter.
1 meter?
5
Uh,
centimeter.
It could be in the range of 5 meters also. If you take sari, it will be like they will take long sari. Like tomorrow we will take one sari and we will measure it. Okay, it may be 1 meter is very small. That is your height only. Chris or Juvanta, your height only 1 meter. So what that much only sari? No, I don't think that much only sari. Could be 5 meter, right? You understand, right? Sari could be 5
Okay.
meter. And next one is you see width of your fingernail. That
1
could be
meter,
the
1
range-
meter.
1 meter, 1
1
meter.
centimeter.
yeah, 1 centimeter. See, 1 meter means your height. Your height, that much nail you have. You have like Chris. Do you have nail of your height?
Yeah.
Do you have
Yeah.
nail of your height? That is your
Yeah.
height. Is it equal to your height? Your nail is equal to your height? No,
No,
right?
but
No.
This is just 1 centimeter. If you take your scale and measure it, just 1 centimeter only it will be there. Okay. Height of a child. You see,
1
Sivesh or
meter, 1
Haiku.
meter.
1
Yeah,
meter.
yeah, correct, correct. Then length of earthworm. It could be.
10
10 centimeter, 10 centimeter.
Yeah, but have you ever seen a earthworm?
Yeah. I have saw in the video.
I
Video.
saw it.
In real,
Daddy, I
have you
saw
ever
it.
seen it?
Daddy, I saw it in real life.
The
Daddy,
plant take the nutrition from the soil. The earthworm go deep and take some soil and pick it up. So it will get so the plants can get some more nutrition and proteins. And earthworm is helpful insect.
Yeah, the rotary in the agriculture. Also.
Daddy,
Okay.
I have seen earthworm real life.
Where? Where did you see? Where did you see earthworm in real?
I saw an earthworm in India.
Okay. Okay. Let's once again we will draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Okay. So first let's start with this distance from home to school.
2
What would
kilometers.
yeah 2 kilometers. This is right. The next length of sari, how much it could be?
5 meters.
5 meters. Okay. Width of a fingernail,
1
how much?
centimeter.
Correct. And height of a child,
1 meter.
correct. And the length of earthworm,
10 centimeter.
okay. Now, do you understand the relative picture? Like 1 centimeter means how much it would be looking like. 1 meter means how much it would look like. See, 1 centimeter is like this, but 1 meter means it will be like this, right? And 5 meter means it will be this much, like it will go. Do you understand the difference, right? 1 meter, 5 meter, 2 meter, and all.
Yes, meters means long length.
Kilometer
Millimeters.
is the longest. Millimeter is shortest. Kilometer is longest. Okay.
What
See, I will tell
meters?
you. This is millimeter. Okay. Then centimeter
Yeah.
will be 10 times like this. Then meter is one more 10 times. Then kilometer means it will go like this much big. Okay. Do you get me?
This one size.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to something else here. You see here, this is the map of Agra. Agra is one city in India. Okay. Here you could see Agra Cant. This is the Agra Cant. That is a railway station. Okay. To Taj Mahal is 5 kilometers. You see Taj Mahal railway station to Taj Mahal is almost 5 kilometer distance. The map they will use. Okay, map is required to understand the distance between two places. Like if you are going from Abu Dhabi to Dubai, we will use map and we will see what's the distance between Abu Dhabi to Dubai. It will be 135 kilometers. Do you know the distance between Abu Dhabi and Dubai?
kilometer.
Let us measure. Huh?
How
Distance.
could we measure it?
Yeah, let us find out distance between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, right? Usually, uncle and 1 minute. You see here, this is Abu Dhabi, right? And you see here, this is Dubai. It is showing how many kilometers? It will show 139 kilometers. You see here, 139 kilometer.
Yeah.
So if someone is asking you what is the distance between Abu Dhabi to Dubai, you can say it is 139 kilometers, right?
Yeah.
This is
If
the
you're walking, to Abu Dhabi to Dubai, it will take one whole day, isn't it?
yeah. If you are going by walk, let us see how much time it will take. It takes by walking Abu Dhabi to Dubai walking. Sorry, we could not calculate walking directions from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. I think it will take like 1 day, 2 days. Okay.
Can I drink water?
Yeah, you drink. Drink. Yeah, yes. Jwanta, you are here.
I don't know this PPT.
Sorry,
We're going to watch video.
video. We will watch video sometime later. Here you see.
Oh, I'm a doctor.
Okay, class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
Do you hear?
Yeah.
Do you hear the voice also?
Measurements.
Yes.
Measurements.
Yeah.
Measurement is
Yeah.
finding out. Measurement is finding out, measuring how long something is. That is the length, the distance between 2 points. Do you get? Like we are measuring the how long something. This a small ant is how long it is 1 centimeter long. This guitar is 100 centimeter long. This structure is 200 centimeter long. Like that, we are finding out the measurement of some object. That is called measurement. Okay, let us see something.
Measurement is finding out.
We are finding out or
how
measuring
long something
how
is,
long something
such
is,
as
right?
the length. And also, this
If someone is asking you what do you mean by measurement, what would be your response, Jwanta?
Measurement is finding out or measuring how long
Something is.
something.
That is length or distance or between 2 points, right?
is between, what is, how far is it?
See here, you see the hand You are able to see my hand, right? So you can measure how much in your scale, like how much it is coming like that, right? And if you measure your foot, how much, and your cubit from here to here, how much, you can use scale to measure it. This will be maybe 10 centimeter, and this will be around 45 centimeter, right? And your foot, if you measure it, it will be 30 centimeter.
Could I measure my hand?
Yeah. For the scale,
Just, yeah, I have.
just measure and tell me. Just measure your foot and then tell me how much centimeter is it. And measure your span also from thumb to your little finger.
Here. My hand is 15 centimeters. No, not 15 centimeters.
15 centimeter, huh?
Yeah, 15.
Okay. Your nail is how much centimeter?
My nail. My
Nail.
nail.
Is it 1 centimeter? How many centimeters?
Like almost
11, 12, 13, 14.
Just wait. It's like 0. But I take my longer nail.
Yeah.
I got 3 centimeter.
3 centimeter, your nail.
Yeah.
3 centimeter?
No, not 3 centimeter.
Yeah.
I got it wrong.
3
It's like
centimeter means 30 mm.
it's 0.
Maybe 1 centimeter or 0.8 mm, 10 mm. If it is not measurable in centimeter, you measure it in mm,
Okay.
millimeter. You measure it and record it. Okay, then make a table. Tomorrow we will see how much is your nail, all the nail, and your brother nail, mother's nail, also like that. Okay, we will measure it and we will see it, and we will see like even the foot. See here, the foot length also you measure it, and span also you measure it, and cubit also you measure it, and pencil also you measure it, and paper clips also. Okay, you'll be having your pencil, right? Measure the pencil
Yeah.
also how many centimeters, and tell me tomorrow. Okay.
Mine is 1 centimeter.
Yeah. Okay. See here, you can see 1 mm means what is 1 mm? What is 1 centimeter? Here in this picture, you can see. Do you see the difference between 1 millimeter and 1 centimeter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mine is 4 mm.
4 mm. Okay. That means like these 4 small lines, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes.
4 mm only your nail? I don't think so.
Because I
It
because
might
I
be,
cut.
yeah, maybe 5 mm, something like that, or maybe 8 mm, something like that. It could be. Okay, so do you understand the 1 millimeter, how much it looks like, and 1 centimeter, how much it looks like? Could you see the difference? Could you make out the difference between these two in this picture? You see, 1 millimeter is this one, very small length. 1 centimeter is 10 mm. It's equal to 10 mm, right?
Yes.
So you measure 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count it, it will be 10. 10 millimeters is called 1 centimeter, right? Do you figure out what's the difference between like 1 millimeter and 1 centimeter? Could you be able to see the difference? Juvanta?
So
Now, do you see the yeah, tell me.
1 millimeter is smaller. I could see that 1 centimeter is little bit bigger than 1
Yeah, correct.
millimeter.
So, but 1 centimeter, if you see like 10 small lines are there, right? These 10.
Yeah.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see if you count this one, there are 10 lines. So each line is 1 millimeter. So 10 lines means 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, right? Do you see the difference between 1 millimeter and 1 centimeter?
How much could it be 1 centimeter if it's 10 millimeter?
Yeah, and here you see 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This is one small, right? This is 1 millimeter, right? The same way you see count all these lines, there are 10 lines. That means 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Ten millimeter is 1 centimeter, right? Do you able to get the difference between millimeter and centimeter, and how many millimeters will be 1 centimeter? Do you able to relate?
1 centimeter that will be 10 millimeter.
Yeah, correct. See, this is 1 centimeter. In this 1 centimeter, there are 10 lines, like 10 small lines. Each small line is 1 millimeter. So 10 millimeters, if you add up, that will be equivalent to 1 centimeter. Right? You're able to see the concept, right? Like 1 millimeter and 10 centimeter. Right? Here, see 1 centimeter. This is one small line is 1 millimeter. There are 10 small lines are there. This is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 10 times bigger than 1 millimeter, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 10 times bigger.
Like
So if you see here, the millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Kilometer means from far off places. We'll be using kilometers to measure it. See here, 10 mm is 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is 1 meter, 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Remember the following. So this is the one you need